Amen!
God went the extra mile.
Amen, Mami! Oh
He
my
sent an
goodness.
angel to make your dreams come true. Ayun na may pakpak. He sent me. Kaya naramdam namin lahat nung kinanta mo yung God Gave Me You sa Philippine Arena while looking at Maine in the eyes as if piercing her soul and melting her heart. And you cried when you uttered the lines and the lyrics, God gave me you. As if thanking Maine for coming into your life and thanking God above all. Maine, parang pare mo. Do you believe
Umiyak ka, Mami?
that
Mami, yung
God
kotse,
gave you
pauwi mo na.
Amen?
Kasi yun eh.
Kaya na destiny, di ba?
Do you believe in destiny? You are both destined for greatness. God gave you all the talents, your wit, your humor, and your beauty. Because He gave you the mission to make all of us happy. Tama? To make the Aldab nation happy. Are you even aware of the Aldab effect? Yun bang we laugh when you laugh, we cry when you cry, kinikinig kami kapag kinikinig kayo. Hindi nga namumula yung tenga ko, pag namumula tenga mo, ay namumula. And hindi naman namin kayo kaano-ano ha, pero we find ourselves praying for you both na parang kayo, mga anak namin. Praying for you every day, which I did yesterday after the kasal na. I lit a candle for the two of you. Praying for you both na sana magkatuluyan kayo. Sana walang sumira sa love team ninyo. Na sana hindi kayo malamon ng sistema ng showbiz. Na sana mag-pray din kayo for discernment kung ano ba talaga yung tunay na feeling siya para sa isa't isa. Last year to beyond the scripts, beyond the TV characters that you play, beyond the blinding lights, the studio noise, beyond the hiyawan, kantsawan, and palakpakan, give it a chance. Listen when your hearts are silent. It's your call, Alden. You're the guy. If you ask me, your self-appointed love-struck future Ninang, Meng is so perfect for you. Ang swerteng dumating sa buhay mo sa tamang panahon. Siya, ang blessing sa buhay mo. There is a reason why God gave you to each other. At first, to make all of us, your fans, the Aldab nation, very, very happy. And the Aldab nation thanks the two of you to make us all so happy. Thank you. Alam mo gano'n kayo nakakatanggal ng stress sa buhay namin? Hindi na lang alam how much you greatly affect us with your every move, every dub smash, every cheesy word you say to each other, to the point that we will all be sad if hindi kayo ang magkatuluyan. So are you two praying for an answer? Or have you found the answer? No pressure. Sabi ko dito, bata pa kayo. Enjoy niyo muna kung anong meron kayo. Kulitan pa more, laglagan pa more. Enjoy being friends muna if you feel it's best for now. And let it grow and flow naturally. Parang kami ni Julius. Started out as friends, tuksuhan, muntik pang hindi magkatuluyan. Because I was afraid. I told him before, Julius, what if BFGF tayo, kasi break tayo at mag-away? How will we face each other on television and still work together?
How's the location?
Paano ang karir ko? Paano ng love team? Alam mo kung ano sabi sa akin, Julius? Na nagbago sa stand ko. Because I was so afraid to give it a chance. He looked at me in the eye and told me, what
Magaan lang
if
po
we
yan.
don't give this a chance? We will end up growing old with that question forever haunting us. What if? And so I end my Ninang novella with this. Once you find someone who makes you happy, who gives you that incomparable inner joy, and you can't stop thinking of him or her, then never let her, never let him go. I'll always be here with the millions of Alden fans all over the world supporting you both, forever. And P.S. Someday, sagot ko na ang wedding cake. Makulit ang subuan nyo ng cake, the first date ninyo ni May, na nabilaukan, sino ba nabilaukan? Ni May, sagot ko lang, show my king, dahil na kay suka at toyo, dali nyo na lang ang panulat na coke, gatas at downy. At pagkasal na kayo, matuto kang maglabaan din, gamit ang tayad, syempre. Habang kumakain at pinagluluto ka ni May ng sardinas. Ang favorite ko. O paano, talk and text na lang tayo. At i-talk and text ko na ba ang mga Aldanatics talaga. Galing ang OPO, at OPO. Teka, don't forget ha, pabelo muna kayo bago ang romantic date. Para belo fixed bago mo isuot ang iyong belo. Nasok mo na kahapon. Love always, Ninang Love, dated November 26, 2015. 1 year after eto tayo, ever so strong. Happy anniversary!
Ay, grabe.
Ganda, ganda ng